Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start with essentials. Confirm fresh batteries or a full charge, and insert the USB receiver into your laptop. If using Bluetooth, enable pairing. Open the presentation and set display mode so your slides appear where you expect. Once done, test the laser briefly on a non-sensitive surface to verify beam and focus. Make sure your pointers on /off and mode switch are in the correct position. This avoids interruptions later and gets you ready to control slides seamlessly. You now connect and configure. Pair the pen with Bluetooth or confirm the USB receiver registers as an HID input so click commands work. Then map or memorize button functions, next, previous, laser, and any black screen or volume shortcuts so you never fumble. Once mapped, adjust aim and test range. Practice at the real presentation distance from 3 to 50 feet to understand beam visibility and response. This middle step prevents surprises and refines your timing for slide transitions, and you finish by delivering with confidence. Click slightly before you complete each point to keep flow, and use the laser sparingly to emphasize. Too much distracts. If the pen goes unresponsive, first reseat the USB receiver, swap batteries, or toggle Bluetooth pairing. Also try a different USB port. Make sure you have spares and know the laptop's display hotkeys as a backup. Finally, breathe, maintain eye contact, and use the pen as an extension of your hand, not a crutch, and you'll present smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.